I just wanted to get on here and show you the look. My Keurig, I've had it for a year. That is the water filter. It keeps heating it up every so often. Pull this handle up. Voila. Push that down. It's really easy to do it. You can do it with one hand. These are the buttons. Just put it on top of your table, plug it right in. Add some water. This will come on when it tells you what it needs. You can hear it right now heating up. You have a catcher down here that you can take off and empty. I think it makes fabulous drinks. You can pick your different sizes. Great looking product.